Hey everyone, I'm Joe and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a host and its services in NUSXI. Deleting a host and its services from NUSXI is important to prevent unnecessary monitoring, reduce system load, and eliminate false alerts from inactive devices. It also ensures a clean and accurate monitoring environment, making it easier to manage active hosts and troubleshoot real issues efficiently. The first step is to figure out what hosts and its services you want to delete. We can head to the left side, click on Home, and then under Details, click on Host Status. This is where we can find all of our hosts. If we want to find our services that align with a specific host, click on the host you want to delete, and then click on Services. In order to find the certain host, you can either scroll down and look for it, or you can use the search bar. These are the services that are configured with that specific host. Some hosts may not have any services depending on how you configure them with our configuration wizards. In order to delete these, we can head to the left side, hover over the gearbox icon, and then click on Core Configuration Manager. From here, we can click on Services, and then in the search bar, search up the host, and make sure you are deleting the right services that align with that host. We can click on each checkbox, scroll to the bottom of the page, and then at the With Checked, choose Delete, press Go. It's going to ask us if we really want to delete this. This action cannot be undone. Press OK. And then now we want to click Apply Configuration. If this text box does not pop up top, then you can always scroll to the bottom and then click Apply Configuration as well. Now we want to delete the actual host since we just deleted its services. We can head back to the left side, click on Core Configuration Manager, click on Host, and then search up the host you want to delete. Choose the checkbox again. At the With Checked, choose Delete, press Go. It's going to ask us if we really want to delete this. Press Yes. And then we can apply the configuration again. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to follow along in today's video on how to delete a host and its services in NUSXI. If you need any more support and or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. Thanks for watching and happy monitoring!